There's so many great talents hidden within all the artists out there, and they need to be supported. Hi, my name is Christopher Müller. I'm a DJ and producer, and I'm the founder and CEO of Ecosis.Network. And I'm here to build a better future for everyone. Well, a long time ago, I was wondering about how to build a way for sustainable and risk-free passive income, or better to say return in this case. And I found out to do so without lending, speculation, all this stuff, the best way is to do this transaction-driven. So within a transaction, a small fee is taken. And we take a tiny transaction fee, we collect this all in a pool, which is a reward pool. Then we take like 80% of this fund and redistribute it back to all users within our ecosystem. I would say the main two challenges are for a founder, for example, within the Web3 space, to convince the usage of distributed ledger technologies, especially because they are nowadays a little bit complicated, and especially for paying transaction fees. They need to understand that this has big benefits when it comes to redistribution. The second big challenge as a DJ, producer, or as an artist generally is the monetization. And the problem is that the little ones are not really supported well. It's only the big ones. And this means that we need to have a way to distribute resources way more efficient, because there's so many great talents hidden within all the artists out there, and they need to be supported. So I believe both need to be supported somehow, the artist and the listener. Of course, mostly the artist, but the effect we're talking about is the curation effect. And if the listener as well is supported with rewards by listening to an artist, or by liking a track, or reposting a track, only with this way the market can become more efficient. And this is why platforms need to do so. They need to reward their community. What makes me happy is if people are just authentic. They just dare to try things. And I love that, because that shows emotion I just can identify with somehow, because this is not fake. And this is why I love when people are just dare to try things, because this brings new ideas, and I love new ideas. Success for me is then you found a way to let an idea become true, and other people like it and use it and love it.